The next topic we are looking at the Loft guidelines is labels. Labels are used to classify both speech and non-speech audio events. The list of labels can be found at the label menu. Here is the label menu. We can see the list of labels, which are noise, applause, DTMF, foreign speech, laughter, ringtone, etc. etc. The first label applause used to annotate label applause. In this part, if we are hearing an applause sound, then we have to label it as applause. See, the applause label is added here. A single clap is not considered applause. Instead, it should be labeled as noise. If it is a single clap, then it is not considered as applause. It is noise. So we have to change it and save it. If we hear a dual tone multi-frequency voice or a dial tone, then it is labeled as DTMF. Okay. Foreign speech is another type of label, should be used to label foreign speech. Example, if the local you transcribe is Chichewa language, then you hear a Portuguese sound, then the Portuguese is considered to be foreign speech. From here to here, the person is on this turn. Just think that the person is talking on Portuguese language, then it is a foreign speech. So we have to label it as a foreign speech. So we don't need to give any transcription here. Music label should be used whenever a musical instrument is heard. Phone notification sound is not music, ringtone sound is not music. When we hear a song, we transcribe the lyrics along with the adding music annotation. Just think this part is in this turn the speaker 2 is singing. We also, and with the accompaniment of musical instruments, we have to create a music label, and also we have to transcribe the song. First, I am adding the music label here. Now you can see a musical labels is appeared in here. See, and the speaker 1 is singing. So we have to give the lyrics here. Like I am just typing. Just imagine that I just typed the lyrics here. Also, I have to mention the speaker 1 is singing. See, music from here to here we can understand speaker 1 is singing something. There is music also. Singing label should be used whenever we hear a singing, whether it is in the foreground or background. Whenever you use the label singing, you are expected to transcribe the lyrics as the transcription box doesn't. Okay, that is what I am saying, and also show some example. Unintelligible label use when you can't understand what the speaker says due to bad quality or different accents, then add unintelligible label. For example, you cannot understand what this unidentifiable speaker is talking, so just add unintelligible, so that you don't need to add any transcription here, because it is unintelligible. A multiple group of people is speaking something you cannot understand, so we are adding unintelligible. Laughter label is used when a speaker is truly laughing. Here, from this to this part to this part. Speaker one is laughing, then add a laughter label here. See, then save it. Ringtone also, use ringtone when you hear a phone ringing. If you are hearing phone ringing from here to here, then add ringtone. Now it is added. Noise label should be used when any kind of noise is heard. Here we can hear a noise from this point to this point. So I am adding a noise label also. PII stands for the personally identifiable information. This can be any data that might be used to identify a person. All names, address, phone numbers, email address, payment card numbers, passwords should not be transcribed. Instead, please label them as PII. For example, just imagine from here to here, our speaker Mary Jane is introducing herself to someone like this. So it's hi, I am Mary. So this is PI. Her name is PI. So with this name we can identify this person. So what do we need to do is that from this part to this part she is saying I am Mary Jane. So we need to mark it as PII. You don't need to add any transcription here. Just mark it as a PII. Here you can only get hi I am. Unknown label shouldn't be used with any kind of noise.